Alright, I don't think we're gonna be able to see it from here, but there is a bird that I don't recognize. Oh my god, my hands shake so much. A bird that I don't recognize. What are you doing, Connie? Making an awful lot of noise. God, I wish... That's as much as I could zoom. I wish I could keep my hands straight. Okay, we'll go to you now. What are you doing, you freak? What are you doing, weirdo, huh? What are you doing, Ken? Is bird still up there? He was chirping away right before I started recording. Yep, I don't know what it is. Good boy.